People don't understand when it comes to taking care of your skin. The skin on your face is different from the skin on your back, on the rest of your body, so you don't need to treat them the same. Before I continue, there's something people don't understand when it comes to taking care of your skin. The skin on your face is different from the skin on your back, on the rest of your body, so you don't need to treat them the same, you know. So what I'm trying to say is that what you use for your body should not be what you use for your skin, especially if you have a very sensitive skin like me, which is always like prone to break out every now and then. For people that have a very cool skin, you can use your bathing soap for your face and it will be okay. But if you know that you have a sensitive skin, please kindly look for skincare products that are only for the face. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you what I use for my face. Okay, just all that I use. Enjoy the video. Oily face. I can actually describe my face to an oil well. You can see I don't have anything on my face, but it's super shiny. And what is common with people that have this oily skin is that we are always prone to acne. We suffer from acne from time to time. And I actually had my fair share of acne right from when I'm in my teenage years up to my adulthood. So I've actually done a lot of things to clear acne. Have actually seen a dermatologist. I've used a lot of natural remedies as well, all in the name of getting rid of my acne. So recently I've been using some products which I'm going to share with you, and I have here Yves Rocher. This is intense hydrating max. I don't know whether you can see this. And I have Yves Rocher micellar water that I use to cleanse my face. And I have this simple kind to skin soothing facial toner as well. And I have Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser. So this product are what I've been using for my face, and I'm loving them. So why I actually went for the Cetaphil is that there was a particular point I was actually stressed and I started having a lot of breakout and I needed an instant remedy. So someone recommended this for me, Cetaphil, and have been using it. It comes in 959 ml. So you can see it comes in 959 ml. And I've been using this since March, and it's been like gentle to my skin. What I really like about this product is that it doesn't have soap, so it doesn't have alcohol, and it is recommended by dermatologists. When it comes to skincare products, I usually go for products that are recommended by dermatologists. Yeah, and this particular one is simple goodness. It has vitamins, skin loving ingredients, no artificial perfume, and 100% alcohol free. Because what alcohol does to your face is that it actually dries your face out, and when your face will be so dry and flaky, that's what it does to the skin. So I'm just gonna go right into the video. But if you're not following me on Instagram, please kindly go to my Instagram with Ida Francis and comment in the comment section below. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing I do in the morning is to wash my face. So if I'm not doing this video, I actually wash my face with the running water in the sink, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using my white towel to wash my face. So you know, nothing moisturizes like water. So once you use water to clean my face, the first thing I wake up in the morning, let's see. So cleaning your face with water in the morning takes stress off your face, actually makes your face relax, because water is one of the things, you know, that it's so natural. It doesn't have any other additional things that we might not know that most of the time that are in skincare products. My cotton wool here, so I'm gonna take a piece of it, something like this, and I'm gonna clean my face with this toner. This is actually one of my favorite toner. You could see what is actually remaining in this toner. It's something I really love a whole lot. So washing your face with water is not enough when it comes to cleaning your face thoroughly, especially if you are someone that uses makeup. So the foundation, the powder, the eyeliner, all of that will actually go into your skin, especially for someone like me that have open pores. So it's very important, it's necessary for you to clean your skin with a toner to get rid of the dirt. I don't know, can you actually see this? I don't know whether it's focused enough, but my face is actually dirty, despite the fact that I will actually cleanse my face before going to bed. And I also washed my face this morning. So after doing that, the next thing I'm gonna do is to go in with my gentle cleanser, Cetaphil gentle cleanser. Let me show you how this product is. Can you see? Yeah, so I'm just gonna rub it on my skin. It is not soapy at all. After all, it doesn't contain soap, so you can see how it looks. So I'm gonna apply this for the whole of my face. So after doing this, I'm gonna go in with my towel. I'm gonna use that to wash the cleanser of my face. So oh yeah, so I'll advise you could actually do this in the bathroom. You could do this with your running water. So I'm just gonna let my skin to dry a bit. So let me just clean my skin further. Yeah, so after cleaning my face, it's time for me to go in with this Hydrovectal mask intense from Yves Rocher. So moisture capture botanical cap, and you can see how this mask is. It's not a dry mask, so it's not something that is going to dry out your skin. Despite the fact that I have an oily face, I don't like masks that actually make my skin so dry. I like something that will be gentle and soothing to my skin, and this is what this particular mask represents. Since I bought it, I've been loving it. You could actually get this one in Yves Rocher stores. If you're in Abuja, you could get this at ShopRite. No, you could actually get this at Jabi Lake Mall. That is where they are. You could get this at Jabi Lake Mall. I don't know other places that they have in Lagos, but you could actually check other malls where you could actually get this, and it is not expensive at all. I got this for 2,000 of the Nigerian naira. So you could see how smooth my face is. So after applying this mask, I'm just gonna leave it for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes for it to dry. So after drying, I'm just gonna wash it off. Then when I wash it off, I'm gonna be right back. So you could see how my face looks after I finish washing off the mask. So now is the time for me to go in with this micellar water that I absolutely fall in love with. So this is Eau Micellaire purifying micellar water 2-in-1. So I absolutely love this product because after I had some peels, like glycolic peel from my dermatologist, he warned me not to pick my face. But since your girl here is somehow addicted to picking off face, oh my god, I picked my face and I got a lot of open pores that if I apply foundation on my face, you'll be seeing the pores, like, will be very obvious. But this particular micellar water has been closing up my pores and I love it a whole lot. So I usually do this when I finish having my bath and washing off the mask. I use it almost every other day for my face. So I'm just gonna clean everything. Please, when cleaning your face, do not forget to concentrate on your neck, your ears, so because you wouldn't want your face to be so different from your neck and your ears to be different from your neck as well. So make sure you clean that part of your body as well. It is also important. So I usually what I do after I finish using my micellar water 2-in-1, I just allow my face to dry, then I'll just go in with a moisturizer. I would have shown you the moisturizer, but I just ran out of it. I'm gonna pick it at the store within the week, and when I do an updated skincare routine, I'm gonna show that to you. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see what I do for my night routine. Let me know in the comment section down below what I do for my night routine, because most of the thing I do in the morning, I don't usually do them at night as well. So if you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. And this is where I'm gonna be drawing the curtain for today. Until another time when I come your way, my name is Ida Francis and I love you. Thanks.